Hello, hello. It is time for another Dollar Tree haul, and there's so many fun things. You need to get there right away. Things sell out quickly. So here are some of the things that we're going to be doing in this next week or two. So you want to run out and get some of the things that we're going to use. And this little bucket I purchased only because if you missed the video, it is posted below in the description for our Boo box. So some people can't find these boxes, and I wanted to be able to show you maybe another way to do that, and that would be to get these little buckets. And what you could do if you wanted, you could spray paint these. You could even take a black Sharpie if you wanted, rather than have to use a silhouette with vinyl. You can just draw the eyes on with the mouth and just put your hat on here with the Velcro, just like we did in the video for this one. I also wanted to show you that I picked up a few more boxes, and they are actually like a stackable box. So here is the bigger one. Here is the Frankenstein, just a little bit smaller. He stacks inside there, and then here is the mummy stacked inside there. So you will want to stay tuned because I have a few more ideas regarding the hats if you can't find the witch hat. So we're going to do a few fun projects this week coming up. So here's an idea to use for your Boo bucket in case you can't find the box to make a Boo box. And of course, the Boo box is all over the internet, but it's normally a Boo bag. You fill the bag with all kinds of candy and treats. You leave it by the front door. You have been booed, but you don't tell them who it is. It's supposed to be anonymous and just a little treat for Halloween. So the other thing that I got is a Funboa, because these are out right now, and because these are out, they don't necessarily have to be for Halloween. You can use these on other projects throughout the year. So I would grab a few of these if I were you. They do have them in different colors. So these are in the Halloween section as well, because you see the little pumpkin. This is their Halloween. Then, I'm sure some of you have seen the Scarecrows that are all over with the bottles. So you can pick something else, maybe a glass jar, something like that, and you would be able to put the Scarecrow face on it. I have a little bit different twist on it that I want to share with all of you, so it is not my idea. I always like to give the credit to the original crafter, but it's all over the internet, so I don't know who that is, but thank you. But we're going to do a different twist on it, and we're going to use Dollar Tree supplies. So this is what I got that we can fill our glass jar with, and remember, whatever you're using, make sure you purchase enough to put in the jar. Now, this will be enough for a wine bottle, but if you pick a bigger vase or something, then it may not work. Okay, so this, and the other thing that you can try to purchase is the grass skirts that they have in their spring section. A lot of my stores just move that over to another section, and you can cut that up, and you can use that inside as your Scarecrow as well. So we got that. Then they have really, really fun ornaments coming out. He is pretty big. He is perfect to put in a wreath, and we are also going to be making a wreath. So he is really cute. You want to get one of those, or even two if you want it. They have these really, really cute little campers. Again, you can make a fun wreath and put this in the wreath. So there are so many things you can do. Then I got a Flamingo. This is a pretty thick sign. I thought it was really cute. Flamingos are really, really popular right now, so I had to have him. Then I have two of these. And again, these are plastic. They're not glass, but I have a few ideas that I'm going to share with all of you. And I thought it was really, really fun. You can do it with the kids, and that's why they're perfect. Because if you put candy or something in here, you don't have to worry about them dropping them and candy falling out, you know, with glass. Then they have these signs, so they realize that everybody is getting into signs, and when I got to the register, the girl said, no, no, no snow, and I agree with her, but I thought it was really fun. You can spray paint these. You can spray these with acrylic paint, and what I used to do is I used to paint them with acrylic paint and then take the Mod Podge, and then I would sprinkle real fine glitter over it. So if you just even wanted to do a few letters like this snowflake and just accent it with the little glistening because snow glistens. So they have a bunch of these available. You want to get those. Then I did see the candy cane frame again. So if those of you missed the candy cane wreath that I did 2 years ago before I got diagnosed with breast cancer, this video will be available also below, and you can make this. This is made with all Dollar Tree supplies, and again, this is in their Christmas section. I've been to 3 stores, and I've already seen the frames everywhere. So now is the time to go and get these and try and get them. I'm not sure if they're available on the website. I posted the link below for Dollar Tree. Many times you can order just a few and have them delivered to your store for free. So the link is below. go, just type in, search Christmas items, and you'll see everything they have available and how many you have to purchase to have them sent. But also keep in mind that as long as you have your receipt from the internet, they will exchange any item. They won't refund the money, but they will exchange so that you can get something else in the store. And let's face it, we can use household items, you know, cleaning products, things like that. So we can't exchange what we don't need. These are something new. It is a box. They had several different styles, so I thought this was really, really cute. You can actually take and cut this out and put it in something stronger backing, but it is a pretty strong box. But I have a fun idea with these, and I'm going to be sharing that video with you really, really soon. So we have that. And last but not least, it is breast cancer awareness. I must highly, as a recent survivor, I know a lot of you are wondering where I was. It's a very, very difficult battle, not only through treatment, but just getting back to life. And I have to support it. They do have a lot of the items there. This is a fun like hairband. So they have two different colors, pink and solid. So you purchase these, and I believe at Dollar Tree, some of the money gets donated back to breast cancer. And the last item I got, which I thought was interesting because I have even seen them like at drugstores, Walgreens in them, and this is the Egglets. I was surprised to see them for $1. You get 4 in here, and then you just crack the shell, which I don't know what difference it makes, but for $1, I had to buy one and give it a try. So these are at Dollar Tree on their end caps as you walk in, because of course they're probably going to sell out quickly. So look for these, and maybe it's a great gift idea. Maybe somebody does the keto diet and they eat a lot of eggs. This would be a fun gift. I would like that if I was doing the keto diet, because what you could do too is when you crack your egg in there, you can take like chopped up spinach or chopped up like green peppers and onions, and you could make like a Denver hard-boiled egg. How cool would that be? Hey, I just gave myself a great idea. See how stuff works in my head? It just pops in there. So I just wanted to share the fun things that I got on this Dollar Tree haul. So get there as fast as you can. Check your stores. New stuff is coming and going quickly. And I will see you guys in the projects I have coming up really, really soon. Bye now.